Hello, this is Mr. Huff. Let's just take a quick look at this week and see what we're into in EDD. So the first thing I want you to do, Monday's a busy day. So you're going to watch this video about how to write answers for me. I've had some problems with people just copying and pasting garbage off the internet and saying, this is my answer. So watch this to see what I expect from you when you answer questions. Mostly how to get it down to a logical flow and in your own words. So the next thing I want you to do is go to this link here. This is a TED Talk from a guy named Nikolai Begg, and he talks about something that he invented. And I want you to kind of think about that, about how he identified the problem and how he came to his solution development. And then I have some examples of some previous projects from EDD. I want you to look at that to see some inspiration. Again, on YouTube videos, speed me up to as fast as you can possibly stand and still understand me. I talk a little slow when I make videos. It's okay, speed me up. And then I've got a short lecture here about getting started with the problem selection that will help you kind of kick off into the next assignment. So the assignment I want you to complete is the 3x5 plus. And what you're basically going to do in that is identify 3 interests and give me 5 problems from each interest. It's real easy to grade. I'm looking for 15 things. If you have less than 15 things, it's going to cost you dearly. So get at least 5 ideas per interest. You can go a lot deeper than that. I know you can. The more ideas you have, the better your problem research is going to be. Okay? On Tuesday, I've got a couple of videos for you to watch about preliminary research and library resources. And then I want you to choose one of the problems that you find interesting, and you're going to do a little bit of academic research and get some quotes to build some history on that. And then on Wednesday, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to choose another problem from your list of interests, and you're going to do some academic research and support that one. And then on Thursday, you're going to choose a third problem and do academic research to support that problem. So in this process, you're going to learn about how to get a resource and get the quotes that you need that say this is a problem, this is a history, this is the background. So you should be able to do that in about 5 quotes. So don't go crazy, don't put like big chunks and blocks of paragraphs. I'm not interested in entire articles. I'm interested in short sentences, single sentences that establish your problem. Focus what you're, okay? On Friday, what we're going to do is everybody's going to have these turned in on Thursday. I'm going to drop these into this Google folder, and then we will have an opportunity for you to go in there and look at what other people have identified and what they've justified as far as problems, and you're going to see if there's anything that interests you. I do need you to pay attention to which problems you find intriguing so that we can arrange some seating and groups later next week so that I have people working together to help each other brainstorm on problems that they find interesting. So another thing I want you to do is this peer review. It basically just says, did they identify enough problems and did they support their interesting problems with enough detail that you know what's going on. After you finish the gallery walk and the peer reviews, and you don't have to do all of them, just do several. We just want to make sure everybody's submission gets looked at. So when you've looked at all that, you need to pick a problem that interests you, and guess what? It doesn't have to be one you've already researched. It can be one that you didn't research, that you saw something that kind of made you think maybe something else is interesting. Or you could look at what some of your classmates have said. Hey, these are things that trouble them and bother them and things that they looked into, and you can look at maybe doing one of those. So what I would like you to do is pick a problem, and you can see the link to the assignment right here. And what you're going to do there is you're going to say this is the problem, and you're going to provide the justification. If you haven't done the research for the history and the background, you will have to include that. And then that is going to be what you work on for the remainder of the year. So that's what I have for you this week. Good luck.